In question number 12, they have given the voltage supplied to an RLC circuit, which is 10 sine 340t. That means this is V naught, and this is from the general equation V equal to V naught sine omega t. From this, V naught is 10 and omega is 340. The question asked is, what is the power dissipated in the AC circuit? So we know that power dissipated in the AC circuit, RLC circuit, equal to Vrms Irms into cos phi. If you have not totally yet understood this, and just go back to question number 9 and see how things are working. But this formula you should be knowing, because there we have discussed about cos phi. So the power dissipated in the AC circuit is Vrms. Vrms is V naught by root 2, and Irms is I naught by root 2 into cos phi. But cos phi is equal to R divided by root over R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. Then here I naught. So V naught is given. What is I naught? I is equal to I naught sine 340t, and I naught is V naught by R. V naught here is 10, so it is I naught equal to V naught by R. R here is 40 ohms, so they have given R value as 40. This is 1 by 4. Then XL and XC. What is XL? XL is equal to L omega. L value is 20 millihenry, so 20 into 10 power minus 3 into omega is 340. So when you cancel these two zeros, then it is minus 1, and 2 into 34, 68. So 68 into 10 power minus 1 is 6.8. The value of XL is 6.8. So XC equal to 1 by C omega. 1 by C value is 50 microfarad. So it is 50 into 10 power minus 6 into this omega is 340. When you multiply all this, 2 zeros, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4 goes up, that becomes 10,000. 10,000 divided by 5 into 34, so it is 170. So it is 170. When you cancel 1000 by 17, it is somewhere around 58.8 that is coming out. Then XL and XC are known. Then the power dissipated equal to Vrms, V naught by root 2. V naught is 10 by root 2 into I naught is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by root 2 becomes 1 by 4 root 2 into R value is 40 ohms divided by root of R square is 40 square plus XL minus XC the whole square. So 6.8 minus 58.8 the whole square. Then this value is 10 by root 2 into root 2, 2, 4 into 2, 8. So 10 by 8 into 40 divided by root of 40 square. So 58.8 minus 6.8 is 52. So plus 52 square. So this goes 5 times. So 50 divided by root of 40 square is 1600. And then this 52 square. So when you sum up all that, what you'll be getting, root over 4304. So 4304. Hence the power dissipated is actually 50 divided by this thing, which works out around 50 divided by root over 4304 is 65.6. 50 by 65.6 comes out to be 0.76 watts. So the power dissipated in the AC circuit for the given values are 0.76 watt.